that the way it
I
is?
might have to pin sideways too.
Yeah, it is. Here, let me just change this so it stays up.
I have another one. Yeah.
So you guys have a plan?
This is the plan. So,
Always have.
oh, yeah. There you go. People to help lift. Okay, here we go. Your module is the first one.
What are you doing here, Bob?
Zero the legs to the same height, so all of the legs on the diorama on the modules are set up at exactly the same height.
Because you're taking a bunch of parts and making one layout, and everything's got to be even, right?
See, this one's not the same, not right. So we'll jack it up.
Now, it's amazing how a little thing like that can move so much.
Yeah, I'll come this way.
Go in here.
These are pretty elaborate modules,
Yes, they are.
but you're moving them all over the place. How do you maintain, like, the building's not falling off?
All this stuff is glued down, and it's glued with white glue. That's probably maybe epoxy down or something. And you can turn them upside down and they won't fall over.
So all you need is glue.
All you need is glue, and a lot of it.
Barry, okay, we're getting to the point now where we're starting to connect the modules. Describe that process, because it's got to be absolutely
Yeah,
precise.
it's very precise. You have to have it on every axis, lined up that way. The height has to be right. Have to make sure nothing's twisted, and there is no give. There's no slop on it. It has to be precise, and we have little joiners here. We have short pieces of track and joiners put over here, and that's what connects the modules. So you have a seamless transition from one module to another. And this needs to be smooth, or you're going to have derailment.
Clamp them together to make sure the rails are straight. Yeah, this one's too high right here. So we adjust each set all the way around to make sure they're all nice and smooth.
Lots of connections, huh?
Yeah, 2 per module connection. One for the digital DCC and one for the power.
Boy, DCC's really made a difference in the hobby, hasn't it?
Oh, yes. Yeah. You can control each train separately.
That's pretty even. Front's got a ways to go.
Got to lower this one. Assuming that leg, it isn't all the way in. Okay. The rail connectors, rail joiners.
That takes the time.
There's some track you can dismember.
They have a rack at the
Anyone who's running an engine driver on their mobile phone should see it. We're running with our phones as throttles, and I'm just trying to capture this train here. So I'm using my throttle right here, control the speed up or down. You can slow it or speed it up.
Well, I have this.